What's up, YouTube? You're tuned into My Family Viewpoint, and I'm Chef, here to cook you up another review. This time, we have a review on this little bitty tool right here, and it's Riddell's Ratchet Quick Release Tool. And I'm just putting on my son's visor. This is from last year. He had an Under visor. I'm going to put his visor on his new Riddell Speedflex. Let's go. Take it off. Simple push. Push. One piece out. Two pieces out. That's one side. You want to push. Push again. You're using this little part right here. That's out. And that's out. Face mask is off. A couple seconds. Now put on the visor. Okay. Put the visor. I think it's supposed to be called a quick release visor too, an armor. Put it right there. For this visor too, you gotta flex it a little bit to put it in, but they're really durable. They're made to flex and stuff, so it'll be fine. Don't worry. One side, screw it in. I'm gonna flex the other side in there. Little technical difficulties, but it's still pretty quick and easy to do. You want to tighten both sides up good. Make sure it doesn't come out. I actually really like visors, especially for kids, because kids' fingers are small and they can easily get up in your kid's helmet, poke his eye, hurt his vision real bad. And you don't want that to happen. So I think the visor costs like $40, $30. Not a bad investment to protect your kid's eyesight. Now these, you want all these facing in. And visors kind of look really cool too. I think that's the main reason why kids like it. Us parents like it because of the safety. Okay. There's a piece in the back part. This. So you just have to put your hand. You have to push that in the back hole, make sure that stays in there. Push your hand behind it. Put the silver piece in there. Release it again with a little nub. And then use the back part to push it in. Now I'm kind of working my fingers, so it's fine. So remember, you're gonna keep your hand behind this little silver part. Push it up, push it in. Sometimes it doesn't push in all the way, so just make sure it's in. Use the back part. It's a lock. Or you can use your finger, which I like to use my fingers. Just push it in. That's one side lock. Next side. Repeat the same process. that there. Release it. Give a little push in. Last one. Put it in there. Release it. The last one is always the most trickiest one. You know how it goes. Sometimes too, it's just not lined up right. A little move here and there. Snap it right in place. And there you have it. All fixed up. Even with my technical difficulties right now with the last one, it still was pretty easy. Way easier than the last helmet. I mean, the other helmet you have to unscrew it, then you have to take it like this and that, you know what I mean? This quick release tool will save you a lot of time. And yeah, it's actually a really good buy. It costs about $14. I bought off of Green Gridiron. My first time ordering off of there, but it was pretty good. It was an easy process. The thing came actually quicker than I thought it would. That they, estimated time. So yeah, it was a great buy. Well, stick to this channel. We'll give you guys more reviews on stuff we use. Everyday parent stuff. Because we got kids in sports, electronics, stuff like that, and sometimes you want that buyer's beware before you buy. You know what I mean? I know I would. So till next time, you guys be safe and have a great one. Remember to like and subscribe.